Scottius. It's nice the chat's working today. So this is how I'm rolling for COVID. Do you like that? Yes, big face it. This is how I'm rolling for COVID. People think I'm mad. I'm not mad. They're mad, right? See those? The seal. There's a seal.
There's a seal, right? So this guy in the Arctic. I'll tell you about the gas mask in a minute. But first of all, there's a guy in the Arctic. He's up north. He's in Canada or whatever. He's on his ice. Oh, it breaks. His ice. Oh no! What am I going to do? Oh, it breaks. So he gets the phone. He's snowing. Snowing. He gets on the phone. He's the mechanics. The tracks come off the machine. Something's gone wrong with it. The snowmobile. I'm freezing. I'm in trouble. And the guy says, "All right, put me on FaceTime." So it's FaceTime. He goes, "Oh." And he says, "Show me the machine." And he shows him the machine like that with the phone. He's like showing him the snow machine. He goes, "What's wrong with it?" And he goes, "It looks like you've blown a seal." And he goes, "No, it's just frost on my moustache."
I wear this.
That's completely sealed around my face. Those goggles, they're completely sealed around my eyes, completely sealed. So no blowing of any seals. Nothing can get in. I can get it in my ears. I can get the COVID in my ears. But this is a EN 143 2000 FFFP3 filter. They're charcoal carbon filters. They're detachable, replaceable. So I'm breathing filtered air, and that means that I can't breathe in, or I've got a 0.00001% chance of breathing in any particles really. So not just the COVID, but yeah, I'm not breathing in the COVID. Whereas the other masks, the surgical masks, or just a bit of stuff around your face, they are allowing the COVID in and out, and everyone should have had one of these masks from the start of the COVID, and we would have dramatically reduced the spread and transmission of COVID. It wouldn't have completely eliminated it, but this mask is the best bit of kit I've bought in years.
Best bit of kit I've bought in years.
It makes me feel confident and safe in areas where I wouldn't really have felt that confident and safe. And let's be honest, yeah, nobody's wearing these masks, but the numbers have been going up all over the world. So people go, "Oh, you need to really gas mask, oh, you're being silly." Actually, no, I'm not being silly. I'm being sensible. It's better to be safe rather than sorry. So there's a tip for you. Get yourself an FFFP3. That's the rating, FFFP3 carbon filter. And make sure it's secured, sealed. They do them with like the full face mask. That would be better. But you can use one of those face shields. That's good. You know, you can get it in your eyes, but it's not as light. It's a respiratory disease, so it's harder for it to enter through the eyes. But yeah, you know, that's the COVID. We'll do a COVID chat one of these days because I need to. I've been on lockdown for over a year. I started lockdown 2 weeks before everyone else because I realised there was going to be a problem, and I needed to keep vulnerable people safe. How that went.